Thank you to my Patreon members. ITC Games.
Coming soon on video and DVD.
Sally, I hear something. Stop. Stop.
Hey guys, I'm M.A.D.D.Y. I know, but today we are here with another spooky movie for M.A.D.D.Y. So happy M.A.D.D.Y. It is currently, as I'm recording, the second day of October. So Halloween is quickly coming upon us. If y'all don't know what I'm gonna be for Halloween, I am gonna be Deadpool. Funny enough, I have the shirt on. And Elson's gonna be Dogpool. My best friend Ivan's gonna be Wolverine. He already has his costume. I just gotta get ready now. But I gotta get some moolah first, and then I'll do it. But yeah, we're gonna do Texas Chainsaw Massacre today. You know what's funny? I did this yesterday, but I accidentally reacted to the second one instead of the first one. And I didn't know that until the end of that movie. I didn't realize that I was been watching the whole different movie, and I didn't realize it. So that one was pretty good. I kind of liked it. It was a bit creepy at times. But let's see the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre that I wanted to see. But yeah, if you want to see the full-length uncut stuff that I do, it's down on Patreon. Let's get into Texas Chainsaw Massacre finally. Okay, let's get it.
To see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 5 youths, in particular Sally Hardesty and her invalid brother Franklin. It is all the more tragic in that they were young, but had they lived very, very long lives, they could not have expected, nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare. The events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Good backstory. Thank you. Ugh.
As a result of a special grand jury investigation. Grave robbing in Texas is this hour's top news story. An informant led officers of the Muerto County Sheriff's Department to a cemetery just outside the small rural Texas community of Newt early this morning. Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art, the remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument. A second body was found in a ditch near the perimeter of the cemetery. Subsequent investigation has revealed at least a dozen empty crypts, and it's feared more will turn up as the probe continues. Deputies report that in some instances, only parts of a corpse had been removed. The head, or in some cases, the extremities removed, the remainder of the corpse left intact. Evidence indicates the robberies have occurred over a period of time. Sheriff Jesus Maldonado refused to give details in the ghoulish case and said only that he did have strong evidence linking the crime to elements outside the state. Area residents have reportedly converged on the cemetery, fearing the remains of relatives have been removed. No suspects are in custody as the investigation at the scene continues.
My granddaddy's buried here. Can we find out if anything happened to him?
What's your granddaddy's name?
Honey, that big, heavy feller's a standing with that flashlight in his hand. That's the sheriff. You go tell him your granddaddy's buried in there.
Okay.
He'll let you in.
Thank you. Yes, they're sure. The man said they could tell if the grave had been dug up. Franklin, don't worry. I saw it myself. He didn't look dug up to me.
I think we just picked up Dracula.
Where you headed, man?
Sal, you work at that place?
Oh, no.
How did you get stuck way out here?
I was at the slaughterhouse.
I got an uncle that works at the slaughterhouse.
Hey, my brother worked there. My grandfather, too. always been in me.
Family of Draculas. Hey man, did you
I
call
think that guy's from the not this guy with the hitchhiker they picked up. I think that's got the guy in the second movie.
That gun's no good.
I was in.
Hey,
What are you doing?
caressing his knife.
Put that knife up.
Oh, come on.
What are you doing to yourself?
Hey.
Can we kick him out now? Crazy guy, get him out of here! Get him out of here! Stop the car!
What's wrong?
Didn't you say there's a swimming hole around here?
Yeah.
Crap. This must be it. Gasoline. I can leave him my guitar, give him a couple bucks. We gotta come back by here anyway. I can pick up my guitar and give him a couple more dollars and bring him back some gas.
They don't want your guitar. They're not gonna want to sell us some gas. Let's just go back now.
The next morning.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hey. Don't hang her up. 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 Oh, I thought she was gonna go like how Mike did in Until Dawn.
Listen, I think I'll walk down to the creek before it gets too dark. How do I get there, Frank?
Well, there's a trail down there between them two old sheds.
Can I go too?
I think you better stay here. Is anybody home? Excuse me, I'm looking for some friends. Hello? Okay, you guys. Come on out. Come on.
Fine, I'll just go without it.
All right, Sally, wait.
Sally, wait a minute. I'm coming with you. Sally, I hear something. Stop. Stop.
Take it easy. He killed Franklin. I don't know. Call the police. Jerry. I don't know what happened to the others.
There's nobody out there now. Take it easy. Come on, take it easy. We have to drive over to Children's. Yeah, now, take it easy. Take it easy. I'll get the truck. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. You don't need to worry.
No!
No, you just cooperate, young lady, and we'll have no trouble. Now,
What do you want?
now, there's no need to do that. Nobody's gonna hurt you.
Just crack the broom. Just got run over by a semi-truck. Guess why? That's why they has a gold plate or metal plate in his head. Everyone died except Sally, and that's the way the poopy crumbles. Not really scary, more grotesque than anything. It wasn't really that gory to begin with, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys there. It's been M.A.D.D.Y. I don't know, but I don't know why this is like classic as a... Well, it's a classic horror film, but it's not really that scary. Nothing I've watched so far has been scary enough to like actually jump scare me, but whatever.